Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to cancel your transaction on Sendwave so you can get your money back fast. Whether the transfer was accidental or you just need to stop it before the recipient gets the funds. First off, if the transfer is still processing or pending, open the app and check the transaction status. If it hasn't been claimed yet, there's still time to cancel. Next, contact Sendwave support immediately. You can reach them through the app or website by going to Help or Support. Explain what happened and provide the transfer details like the reference number and recipient info. Here's a pro tip. The faster you act, the better your chances. If the money hasn't been picked up or deposited yet, Sendwave may be able to cancel or refund the transfer. But if the money has already been received, you'll need to reach out directly to the recipient. Once funds are claimed, Sendwave can't reverse the transaction. So should you panic? Not yet. Just move fast, get in touch with support, and give them all the details. Let me know in the comments if you've canceled a Sendwave transaction before, and if you got your money back. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.